Alright, karibu sana Mutegero Miru TV Mobango na Toringe ime otorango kana ndio gutariria au kanyuma tukirekania na kathiti cietu ngo kurete ntuko na ron kethro ndina umwe watongere bambe umbethi uragithire twagitonyithania kiri manto jegie siasa cia county ya Meru na nkuruki gutuja na gutegera manto jegie weti nambere bo county namba 10 na ijire tukerageria county ya Meru. Karibu sana tudire tukituja na gutegera ura manto zakari kurikania county eze negithire twagikujira manto kathomba kuri na ntuko Amero bakuga intariki 14 irene ya gutigira igamba ria governor Kawira Mwangaza nire kugitwa ikonda kumenyekana kethira governor uzu ageta nambere na gutongeria county Meru ta governor kana kethiro akeberwa wathanine. Number 2 kuri na mushamano jethire tokinya juju geta nambere sana na joke murika kwa mushamano jethire kethiro intariki 16 na mushamano jojo wiki ntuko izere yake nyuma ya kugitwa kwa gamba riri ya governor joja na jangiza mengi tokeza tuija tegera rukiriro na karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Urigo ate
wega muno.
Yes. Karibu sikethe mutegero wetu mwere marite zaku no metero tare ruko
marito kambita Jackson Kirimi mbetaniki madevu pumete ntere chetigania Karama Wand.
Alright.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Bare Tigania East
Tigania East
ibodhongi nao
iko mzuri kabisa.
Alright.
Tu sawa.
Okay. Oni dagweta mona mandevu no.
Yes,
we have a journey from kitambo kilo tongere kwa from different institutions and all that.
Yes.
I came to know you as Mandevu.
Yes.
Manyakiro raweta.
Yes.
So ngotekia isignature name tomba godata mitu maira bana
bando iko.
Karibu sana Mandevu.
Asante.
County eze so far.
Yes.
Impenda kimugania kwa kiore kyako kyambere impenda kuigwa opinion yawe ambira aratore county as we speak.
Yes.
No ntomto na maoni zawe kire ara county yetu iri. So far county yetu Meru yonde iri ariko ugwe umetagereta na ridhora mu siasa na ridhora mu kario Meru. County yetu Meru we are we.
Kiore kikiega na ngitega county ya Meru nto mitega ke ya musiasa. Nto mitega ya mukari de mitega kinya ya mutongoria eko ina tofauti ya mutongoria na musiasa. Na county ya Meru to be honest iri ICU in terms of progress. County ya Meru iri ICU na ikenda atongoria baukira out of the goodwill tumbe otethia mukari wa Meru no tutongori pa Meru butitite boya.
Alright, na ugana ndi atongeri out of goodwill. Mandevu I think iko gareto kudra kugeko michemani batite gushira matunda. What is happening? Imbi na ndi gatethia so far.
Birabi atethia ni atongoria baike siasa chao cheke baike difference chao cheke siasa bairinganire bari mwambo yumwe of which ituambiririe kuona antu bamwe batakaranthi methene mwe banjiririe okaranthi na baka discuss bura Meru mbike wita na mbere. So kuikonania antu ibategete bakona Meru ititite bweya na bendelea na tofauti choche kisiasa. Meru wetu ikathira completely. Yes.
Alright, thank you so much gutare mantuzo. Kuri na tariki chieta reto sana ngo tikia no chija tariki 10
tariki 16.
Tariki yes 16.
Yes.
Kwena some of the people na nyanda atakamita bakauga mushemane juu jo tabataraga kuyekwa after no together zo immediately after igamba kugitu na mushemane bakuga bengine no jo jo create some few hiccups commotions na interview kiambe buru mushemane jo batara ko tajokeko after igamba mama
iyo bateri
jo jo create some commotion some anything
endira manto ya meya yeyite no mwanka kwithia kwina commotions. Okay? Kinya in production. In production ni kwithia kwina fine product na kwithia kwina waste.
Okay.
So kinya manto yara yonde yite akethira ya ina weya bwayo na kinya shortcomings chayo. But kuiko kamuchamani is the most perfect time. Kenda patu turi akariba Meru. Tuichiona kimapu ne Kenya ri twaichika ku temukariwa akariba Meru. Ibatu tukumia batu ringite kura na ntoke akwa ile like now governor Meru awire youth baina ngwe Meru tena thina yambi yangwe wateka mitandao neki another station inge ya village yao ndona akiwa ayuthi baite kienine kiegoji.
Yes, I saw that.
Na ndiri muyuthi urotete ngwini wo expected to mwa chiringi manata no ga chiringi ngiria to kuwira.
Is the same day?
Yes, the same day.
On 16th also.
On 16th. Yumo yo batu twina yu atongoria ba Meru. Tukethira twina muchamanio maili 3.
Yes.
Okay? Na ndi na bwithiti muchamanio yungeko Egoji. So batu as the leaders interest chetu ikemu Meru. Lakini bau bangi baitanete Egoji ni interest chocho safeguarding their positions in power.
Mishemanio iliho yere ntuku yo.
Yes.
Mjomo maili 3
Lakini batu irato recognize muchamanio maili 3. Ilo ibangi bakiraito ibangi ba munya ibangi ni MCs ba Meru, MPs ba Meru, Valentore na other leaders. Iyo to recognize batu.
Bobo bwana Mandevu ikuona ni ya kinyanyuma egamba kugitwa. Siasa Meru bado itathira na itithira.
Siasa nende
no matter how to
nende iriko. Tika iko thira tariki 14. Okay? Yes. Tariki 14 is a ignition point. Ya kariba Meru atongoria ba Meru. Nonto Meru to were KICU in terms of development. Nonto kwithira during Kiraito time itone kwina MYS. MYS ira have encountered antu bainge muno bara by product ya MYS. Bamwe ni plumbers, bangi ba waka. So ukona bangi machinery. So ukona kwe ikwari na utongoria bwina machiara. Lakini utongoria bo thaitu kona thaiba mwekuru kubugita mama utongoria bo mandrabuti tu utongoria bo tethi anto utongoria bo matirezi ira wikiria anto matirezi ka baira mame ni bugaita ko bitangoge. Okay, so utongoria bo tu utongoria bo kuleta development ni utongoria bo kutharia Meru imuntu tena vision imuntu tena focus na hivyo ndio tutukwenda atongoria batu twena focus tutirimana tariki 16 maili 3. Okay, akwithira court ukethira thirikari ya save mamau batu na tukamea position yetu turimbi turia Meru tumekethira Meru ibangairwo Nairobi kana ibangairwo Meru ni akariba Meru.
We maanisha after uragwa kara 14 niyo Meru ekarita mwerekerejo kiri thirikari.
Exactly. Niyo ekarita mwerekerejo kiri thirikari na tume our position turi antu ba Meru ndene Kenya inaturi.
Yes. Mbere nkuga watarira no gavana Mantuza Madibut na Miringeti. Mbigide to tukigwa unto bobo wakebo insist sana kuga injire yewe gukinyira mwananchi ororo ndego ruburu kawaida. Is that a mistake? Iko na makosa ukweli? Makosa manene muno. Nonto okya kwailia Miringeti yokathira. Na matrezi akamamira kwanza kama matrezi ndo nito matrezi uto ngirito awekiri. Miringeti ro kathira. Lakini okyaweta Meru town okethira during Munya and Kiraito time ibabwithiria a lot of cabros, a lot of street lights. Okay? Okay, akuya like let's say for example area Kemu kuthirite kwina a lot of insecurity. Kinya alitobaraba kuma area tofauti paketha ibakurawa. Onto insecurity no kwithira governor ati take initiative ya kubwithia street lights and wake floodlights uchiawe. Yes. Where rutero Nchiro Meru University still ikwithirite kwina insecurity au Nchiro market. Na ile responsibility yao. Where mawa town inyeko kwina a lot of insecurity. Onto bakwithira county itio play their role. Where iterekera ito kwetha kwina a lot those street lights, those cabros ni onto tombikia ku recognize even after 20 years. Lakini kindabuti mto kwa kindabuti ekobere waigira afwaulo Miringeti wayuma mirayo thire kuikona ni akakubwika antu ba Meru bakathwane baritangwe the other day ndethira akaya na rats. So it's making also a youth talent they compare the talent sometimes beyond the talent no ntuburabu utethia antu ekawita kubathania project ile cheto ba mamia kutwika antu bakwatha. Okay. That's the problem that when you three akariba Meru. Right. Na I want to kwenda a new shape of Meru. We need a new Meru. Yes. A new Meru kumana na batu leaders. Muchamani tariki 16 iketha in declaration ina Twitter rate 300 pa Meru. Right. Yes. Nkwigwa otarire manto ja skuru, and I believe the reason why wataja manto ja skuru kwa miriamu gutano Meru National Pole kwigwa tanchero ngategera history ku kidogo nyuma institutions hizi nijiro torena role as a leader in kurungamira the young people na ritopa in these institutions. Now when you're a leader kwa rena atongeria kagitana kau beritene mwanya. Right now ugategera pengine tutega nyathirikari rero thai kire gutethia mbeu mbithi bete tabakikunika ngwiguga MOS kitambo and all that. I don't know right now no the young people bakikunika in one or another. The tongira propo idreta bogeta nambere
kankwire uma utongoria bwa thirikari atwenio ngavana Meru president wa county. Tebo? Na president wa county abati manage the resources in the county government. Itukona Meru either top kimanto revenue collection. Lakini after that revenue tutikona mpumi cha revenue yo collector kemukari wa Meru imutethia. You see? Ukethira thai so many youths but unemployed. Lakini ya youth ba no bo itamuchamanio kendo ba 3,500 bakamata marori. Right? Muyuthi wa munekera ngoe kana wa mwa antabo kwa rina MOS kwa tuika muntu na kumba huitegemea muyuthi aigwe muchamanini yake yawe engwa. Alright? Lakini wa manatano atiterie Meru. Bae ngoe bae avenues che wichura mbecha bongwa. Leo komba kwitha wikura kia Meru. Okay? Lakini ukiakuthiria generation no bata avenues che okura kuiko na county kiukwa county tukiri ICU na hivyo ndo tukwenda after tariki 14 tumea mwelekeo yo court yuko tumea step yetu turatongoria tariki 16.
Alright, kidogo tu eterutera rungi kuna bamwe batongeria baraba kwithirwa bakiariri na kuga kwina mirandi ire itherito igitejanirwa. And I believe kinyaro teru meterwa nenya county onda nidiri tokiona some of the projects kuna projects yambiriro ni urari governor mbere Peter Munya. Beradi u governor Kreito eza muamerikiria ingare kananyo. Mwangaza ajukia wathani. Kuringana ripoti kwa miradi ya Munya miradi ya Kreito na kirikando ambira neneyo. Man tutazaza urona za kia affect mu Meru in what way miradi wethoro ta governor na ndire arikanirire neyo. Kwigwa jana an example oga MOS jare mo project ya area governor na ni ebaniru right na inge probably man tutazaza jare affect Meru in what way utegereta uko man tewe na effect ne mno ki Meru nonto number 1 project which on the change mbecha cha Meru. Na da project ya mbirerwa yanjero project kenda ireta resorts. Ngwata. So kwa tuika resort ile itikumba kuoneka non to project yana ambirerwe netumira a lot of millions of shillings cha taxpayers lakini project yu munene oraita itendelea. Kwa ni mbecha ile cha Meru ichenyangire. Non to omunene orakwe ya any governor that comes ana manifesto yawe. So but bakaulwa we are not interested in mnona manifesto na kwa accomplish yaro twirire ya tuna interest yayo kwetha ni MOS endelea MOS wandu baba ingitumbe kuona bakona technical courses bakumba witethia that is a tick kwetha chibitari wethira yakirwe tirwa imbecha chia mukari Meru chibitari amethirie anjerio itate yanji otethia ntu no ntwekara au resource cha Meru ketha chitete ate imami kuikona ni ya endera project yotiro urakumia not the person in power urakumia i taxpayer urakuria service you. Yes. Siasa cha Mount Kenya. Ituonete a lot is happening. Rigathi Gachagua orare munini wa rais na kuonekana kumenyere muno thirikari na manto zangeta za so far your opinion kire manto ya siasa cha Mount Kenya orana chitete na murekera joiko.
Mount Kenya kato kuibanga. Just as Riginji awire tuaitere arosine angari yaitha. And now this is the time and Mount Kenya to realize it to tuingwa. nonto kwa ile in the former regimes otiri Ameru baura in the government. If the Meru aithirikari na either CS omenya agacho antu ba Meru baraba mutethakia siasa ba ukume acho antu bangi nturene within Meru ba ukume thirikari ne by ma PSs by ma secretaries by admin assistants by that ministry. So at the end of the day, the more tukwitha tuyo thirikari no bwo nyantu betu bategugulika. Why in terms of development antu betu ba in the government bakombo to lobera. But indira badu to terome kinyantu betu no bwo baikithakene. So for what is happening ke Mount Kenya, I think alignment ni otukwenda. Itukwenda Mount Kenya to unite as a Ngema nation, because I remember even when we were students, we used to call it Ngema. Tuka unite Kamba, tuka unite Agikuyu, tuka unite Ameru, Aembu na Atharaka. Tukemo tukaita as a coalition. So lakini itoomba uchinda muno. And kinyathai kura milioni ile Kamba, kura milioni 6 ina Mount Kenya East. Kura milioni 1 ya Meru. Na ile Itharaka nithi na tukaringanira kura at the end of the day we are forming a government very early in the morning.
Okay.
Now the moment of form the government no vote na our people in the government ibu tukomba ku represent interest ya antoba Mount Kenya. Ibu tukomba ku represent interest ya antoba Meru. Lakini first of all kwamba hawacho athirikari. Thina ile chionde tunachitu na thina nyingi muno.
Okay.
Lakini thina tukio kila tutombo chithiria. Thina yumbere bona tuamba zisolve tutisisolve kuringe chale. Thina yetu tisolve mbere twacho athirikari ya tutethia kusolve thina ile twinacho. Yes.
All right.
So whatever that you are doing as the people of Mount Kenya to unite is that turienda mbere tuchwe thirikari. To a part of the people in the table. Tori ya huu na ndi tuka solve the nina to na chio turi antoba Mount Kenya. Development ya tukwenda tore Ameru twetha tukuform thirikari tukaomba chitethi lakini tunaomba thirikari tutumba.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much Gorikani kinyamu tegere wa Meru TV tore ndani ya mubango choturinga ime rutero rwa Facebook tore live itara Meru TV Kenya kedro wangetaka comment yekunguruki rutero rwa radio yetu 311.2 FM wagatwana kinya emwe kwa Meru tore ruke barabendete YouTube ngoroki tonya hara Meru TV digital tore 111 live nyau kedro gitwanaga na kinya message yaku adhira ukimetoma nkathoma riuga retwa Marvin kuma agitembe na ruga watching live. Asante sana ongea kwa good morning guys, mmesikia first gentleman anataka kusimama kiti ya MP ama MCA. I don't know cheza kwa nitake wewe atambia radio tara lakini mbera kama tumesikia first gentleman na kuronga mageti ya siasa. I don't know but that's it. Asante sana yeye angetaka message. All right ruga good morning Clinton. Asante sana Clinton iboga sana ruga live. Nuitukana yana otongeria bo a young person at different levels, but different levels in the area atri no kuona kurega kinyagite kike kya governor mto me very young person Meru itodere to kimenyaka na kuthura very young people to ambirie na bagatobubure tueta John Paul thurura very young person. Yeah, very many MCs are young people.
Yes.
No kuona that trend egeta monga kinyere kirite bila biyeguru one day one time a young person akadha wake chukeke taka senator getike governor itatabiu.
The future is very luminous. Na kwerekana he who owns the youth owns the future.
Right.
So if tukia kwenda twena young people in the leadership, we own the future. Na ntomuntora na komena a lot of years here kurio medikari ko impio muno na kuria ndene ikuthutiri. So muntora atomeria kumara o medikari so no mwankasa avanto kenda achoka kaire. Okay. Lakini ndio tukathura nto baumite from their retirement, now they are just relaxing ochukumame yake yo atukwitha tukithiria turi antu ba Meru. But the moment tukathania antu ba anake twanya totongoria tuketha tukiumba ko hold the future. We can only hold the future by wikira a youth leadership.
Okay.
Yes.
Tukiaria monto zo ikuthiro tukuri na njichita tetesi no nto tigento kiromera kiarirwa uma i mitandao no tukona na tuga sometimes giri siasa uko ginto kiarirwa no kithiro kireo itwa oro ari governor bari kirito murungi
yes
na ugita tethiro agichoka akurita akiri siasa but for some few months na ndito kuona kidogo agichoka kiri kwa remote yake siasa na interview na kwa mwadho jiba siasa rogere kirito no agwata na Lenturi na Florence Kajuju kwa gikosi kira kio geto akikali at some point no kichoke kairi munya na something like that no kuona maybe taka ki tuarie kirito in general
yes
no kona taka still like the siasa is in one or another
Kirito
orotegete according to you Nandi
Kirito is a veteran Kirito is a veteran na kambu enkiwa kamemene we miss Kirito in the leadership nonto project chiawe chida a lot of visions akireta MYS aretere MYS lai antibaba obudhiria plumbing na ambi ni anto product yewe okay na akethira na kuibwa uchoka itene he is very much welcome to the campaign irrespective of whatever cause to the campaign nontu akwithira batu turia miru thai under the leadership wetu kwirwa ngane mama anga watu ananyonya akwithira miru kiria ICU ki utongoria bwawe why should we not call Kirito back why should we not do that tenda tukomboa miru tumita ICU mea meshazira chitumika in a different oria kwina mathina different measures ni tumika akwithira Kirito no akomboa miru iume okombo ne laboratory we are ready for that yes
all right thank you so much kudro ogechoke kiori ke ndera tuchokera kire county na direct kuna deputy governor
yes
deputy governor wa Meru Mheshimiwa Mutuma Ntwethingia nethiritwe akionekana kumurikwa sana kina gwikirwa gatega siasa ira chikuthira chigikojorwa gatega ndene county ya Meru na mostly many of the leaders baga chumberia na komutetera no tutonaga deputy governor wangu akiaria lot we can call him a silent name totearia muno but very vocal leaders okona bakiaria on his behalf na kuga maybe kura kuinyirwa ni governor ni tabinge tabio what can you say about Mutuma uro mutegete as a leader as a deputy governor wa Meru indio makuba kire mutongeri ujo akona toi kwina Mwangi no ntoke akwailia let's say for example you go nationally akwailia Sifuna akiaria akiwa ameambwira kuwa akwailia Anyang' Nyong'o akiaria oira ila akwaria akuibwa antu ba Mutuma bakiaria bakilalamika bakiwa ananyelikite oi Mutuma akwaria itobori atumite yes whatever that ukone happen in Meru County ikikiluka a lot of dramas kiri gavana otwenwe gavana Kawira Mwangaza and I'm sorry to say that's I'm saying it in the media, that's the greatest tragedy and ba Meru bakilukirire kuthura muntu atena vision ya ba Meru yes ibiashara ni ari yes ndenda gukuria kiurikina another way ogwe mutongeria na pengine okethera mtu moninu waku atukwathikira no butania ngugi bweka what if governor kare mugutania ngugi no maybe no ano etutize I don't know maybe the deputy governor atithirito akimwathikira no kuthira kuna something like that ekethera ndata kwamba gutania
endireba watanire imurano bagwithirie bakiambania mwanga baturia murano yo baigirwa mbetet yani meaning that tubathura timurano ne bare akwirito aro bakiwatana thaiba ketha baicha murana ira nyumbe yo those are the issues babatirie kuhandle ora batirimanire bakibanga siasa hii nonto I heard somewhere bakira wa mutuma kinyasuti ka uriro okay so manto taichie lakini bari tainde the limelight so the nera chioba ina choba to chihando ora bahandolire bakiwatana yes
tegweta bakiachianika
wethera bakaita tofauti during campaigns kabete tofauti baturekiani nende tubature
kuna mtu kuuliza ambiwe kiongozi aongelea mambo ya vijana kukosa kazi. Governor amesimamisha kazi mingi amesimamisha kazi mingi na kupea watu wake. Maybe uriro ariri mantuza the young people na ngoge I don't know mantuza employment nyaro terero thirikari kidogo vijana iba kuona ngoge hizi
ikurika na andikani last time kawira naro ametie au Ameru
yes
ina aritingwe baba inge na kotuika County Public Service Board kawira na kuomba kumiromia kotiri itikandikane kuikona ni Ameru batikumea ngavana kawira nuwe kirieria kia youth bona ngwe kethra County Public Service Board ni kuona youth na bati kuona ngwe imbiyo to makawira ita kotini na ita against au Ameru ina aritingwe baba inge last week na itite aritingwe ba county ai bare documentation na to be surprised Dennis aritingwe baba inge ba county where ke county public county or college board where a number of them baba kuta county na kinyako revenue bairo baba inge te aritibango ba county mundu alitete county ngwe miakena akairo ingosti waka okay kuikona nyeka kwenda kubuta ntuba areta ntuba we the political cronies bawe okay na kuikona nya muyuthura aumete interior atina ngondi father ata thirika wira siasa kana atiyeke na nyanto baka wira kuna muyuthu ate ona ngwe na rende kakwenda kubuta kinyaba by on position by ngwine okay kuikona governor atwenwe ikutharia ate waka muyuthu kawaida. Na that's why I'm calling upon the youths. Bwena kura nyingi. Na kura uye ku ikyo kiboko batyo chani ya gonga vonora iku murita. No ntunga vanora aiku nwa tumete we mu youth kare akona ngwe. She is the president of the county. Na president of the county kuna a lot of resources really untapped. Kuna a lot of money, a lot of positions iko our political cronies and ithanu mu youth Ameru. Okay? Nendira wabate empowerment. Na tokwirigira county kinya revenue collect kithira mu youth atena ngwe. Okay? Yes. So burato kuwa ayuthi bangeni na tutirimane tariki 16 maili 3. Twete twarie turi youth. Divisions ile chonde bwana juanga bokuwa boy youth anga itokwenda okarande twetu no, let's sit on a round table. Katwete twithire twimethene county na Kenya ikibango twithire twimaili 3 nyaba twetu kuibangirao lakini twibangira kithakena tutitethia
okay
akuru baba ikubaba utubanga bamwe retired we mo youth area na uma thakene no autethia iyo muchamani one uretendia yeku okay tuwe youth tena ngwena bila tukwenda ingwe we demand it's our right it's our right from the county government of Meru kuria avenues cha youth bomba kwitha wakaona resources to mwanga bathani white collar jobs bring projects ya like MYS andu ibone their skills baita bakaringe maula bongwa okay lakini kutheta twikitha kene ko tutethia let's meet at Meli 3
au ugamirizo I remember there was one person orenda kumenya kethira ouga mbethe bare inclusive kana bare included kire muchama na jojo kwa na something erenda abantu bakugana muchama na jojo joitani the veterans to aririe kuna akuruba ubethe the best siasa for some time na the people wanted to know how the young people were included ndene muchama na jojo na ndoto katakera muchama na jojo ngegogera jogo da jore goji basically kona batake bandike the youth most yani bandike the target youths wana match hadi hapo jojo nge I don't know not the youth but inclusive included in then maybe not tayari
Dennis, youth in Kenya at large na Kinyameru, we are the most populated. Okay?
Yes.
Na itara kwa nyama utetairwo mami nkire akuya show au utembethira show kwa nyumba mbikira kamera kuo bariria Mumeru. Tebo? Lakini anda ile tariko. So Mumeru muyuthi arore tutirimane maili 3 tuibwe githaiba kwaririe manto ya muyuthi yatha ate kwaririe tutulule metha. If you are not on the table tulule metha. Lakini yenge po to ego jibu ete to tumiro bonengero ngiri kama na 5 bimbe je account antu akunengero ngwe na wete ego jigo defend mtu. Lakini wete maili 3 kuithetera. Choose wisely. Ko na mwanya muchama ni maili 3 ikwariria agenda cha Meru, kwariria tongoria bwa Meru, kwariria na Meru tuitirite, kwariria position yetu ya politics in Meru in terms of Kenya at large. Kwariria na hata youth betu bakona ngwe. Okay? Kwariria kunyanyazo kwa ritingwe ba county. Kwariria wacha development against Mandrabuti. Okay? Lakini egojire imbibwerete. Kubwetete nao kuthetera muntu kendre ngwa abutumira kureta chaos kuikona ni interest che muntu bwerete nao lakini mawa bwetirite interest chenu bwe ya youth.
Right.
Kenda bwetera bote on the table to tulule metha because you have the numbers to tulule metha ina gruba ita so ibon to kwera youth tirimane maili 3.
Right, tokerekera mabango jo tokona gendo bigiro kyarida na ne affect the generation sana.
Yes.
Youthi bakaria tokaria na rwaria kinya bete bagekira bakwenda but kagita ka kurekeria kurera ndebe ayuthi bakahora. What happens? Itukuigunyanta bakiro bajo kibande the young people bajo kibande bakiro gotethithiru inyaine scrutinization and interview but yakinyara ndeka gitaga kuringa kure ni okuthora kwena kathina ikakomera. I don't know kethera 2027 kweza kwena that different this time round kiro ringi bokura ke the young people.
You know Dennis, on tobu I took some time kubuthwaniria na ndaya ku realize tekwenda kwa moyuthi kuria kuringa kura ayuthi tuendete kuringa kura turinga siasa na wewe nye mitandao na we are number 1. Lakini thina yumaira muyuthi akethira na itire kwaso. Okay? Okethira akuru baraba investire kana akuru na akuru baraba settle in their families by inja. So bakaringira kura in their station. Lakini muyuthi kutuira na itire kwaso Nairobi, ka kwaso Mombasa.
Yes.
Aitire Ochua. You get it? Akethirwa na itara kura riwa ingwine. Akaringa mathabu aku kwethia ngarama kwina Mameru. Na ikuringa kura akona ndeto une kuuma. So ibo bituma mostly siasa cha locals china a lot of challenges. Kudura tongori babatiria. No, to be honest and to be very honest, muyuthi okawainda a young person kudura ngavana ora ikuo.
Okay.
Ingwejo mumuno. Lakini kwa tuika ngavana ora wete kurubaba mashinani. Na Muringiti na Mandrabuti. Koko atuika muyuthi ethenya to mwana nakwenda ngwe akoringa kura cha county no tunaitira ochwavia kuruma kuraya. So lakini we are calling upon the youth wherever you are. Tafadhali na wazii. Muyuthi Meru. Waro already register kura in your station. Tafadhali choma hiyo 1000 3000 wewe oringe kura oringire ngavana ora kwenda Meru oringire MC ora kwenda. Oringire MP ora kwenda na senator ora kwenda. No the problem with antubetu wetiwa but antubarisavu bakaita bakaurwa mbecha pokathura bunge baito chuna thani parliament. No chuna ukurachuria kwa Ruto. Pokathura MCA ake county assembly akahukuma wa ngavana ora ikuo kenda akilukia muzwanda ura butu utethio we muyuthi. So ethia ngiri 3 iwe na memuchie wito oringire kura mumbunge ora ikuo oringire kura ngavana ora kwenda oringire MC ora kwenda ibo to atetheka tuli a youth.
Right.
Lakini boringa siasa cha online, siasa cha Twitter, siasa cha Facebook, siasa cha WhatsApp lakini utekwita kuringa kura at the end of the day tuketha tukithura achia bile bieto chwambecha nara bikaya mbecha bikaya na maana ile pukathura tongori batibaterie so use urging you tafadhali save for that register in your polling station na we yoringe kura save for that ethia ngarame we yoringe kura udure mutongori ro batiri au ro tuketha turi witethie kithire tunacho ki Meru County na ki Kenya at large.
Okay. Aruga, good morning Meru TV. Moses watching all the way from Igembe Central. Aruga, wakati ni wa kuchagua vijana. Ambia Mandevu aongee mambo ya women rep Kailemia, she's doing nothing in our county. Hata yeye tunamulika sana, tutamtoa. Alright, bone uge bwawe. Aruga mbere tumeta na rentereje Igembe Central. I don't know tokirekeria pengine you are word on the women rep or women rep maybe pengine wena something on her.
For me brabo bekia kuwa ke man to women rep keni kiruri
okay
yes. Itikira kitebwithina makariro ya Kailemia kitebwithia makariro ya Kayuyu okay as the first women rep kendo ya Kawira alafu ya Kailemia kibwithia makariro ya muntu ra wende akaomba gituria kilingone kabonde bature we have vandi beite baba inge beite baba inge kabe yebonde now we select the best because the opportunity ra wetha wenwe muringi kura ikuringira mutongori omwe wetha no aringira Kailemia o aringira Kailemia kime mtu omwe whether okaringira the next person during the coming election uketha okiringira mtu omwe okay lakini athurana kuringira mtu omwe na kuringira mbecha au ni otona ira mistake okay ako differentiate mbecha irone nkero kendo ringa kura no can differentiate na mutongoria we will be on the right direction basically bewe mbithi itina mbecha cia kwayana inde na utongoria because baje kuwa Dennis who owns the youth owns the future
yes
so antobana kituririe ni turombe kura okay na turomba kura na to register as voters au ni otokomba kuithetra lakini tutomba kuithetra tutena kura tutere register as voters tutere register as kuromba itebi mboyera number 1 as youth number 1 tuchoeni thirikari tocho thirikari ya tutethie kuthiria thina ira twina cio to ya unemployment together tukeme ya youth batena ngwe so tukombo solve thina ya unemployment among the youths no ntomo youth thurana kumeara kuruta ngwe akengwa okay no mtuke kwa even the topping MPs in Kenya they are youngsters but in the positions bakira the best performed they are youngsters okay look at kina Babu Owino look at kina John Paul people are working well okay so bukalalamika tutena ngwe bukalalamika itudurita tongori bubu babae ibadu twingo turegirite anto bakadura tongori babae lakini tochwe thirikari mbere as young people tochwe thirikari ya tutethie go solve the ira tunacho okay
yes
tutombo solve thina tuteko on the media tutombo solve thina in WhatsApp tutombo solve thina in Twitter as young people tutombo solve our problems in Facebooks then to solve ochwa thirikari na thirikari to register as voters to register as aspirants tuchwa thirikari ya tutethio solve thina ira twina cio to the young people
right
lakini tore keria antu ba akoro ke thirikari ne ba chwa thirikari ba serve their own interest of the old but the young people tukomba ko solve thina ira twina cio as the young people together tukimeitu kwenda barabara cio kinyamichie tuboya together tukimeitu kwenda ndrui together tukimenya acheri betu ba kwenda ndawa no to like the SHA is not working tukumeambe jira bakaita jo chibitari batu chikauma ke batu so at the end of the day together tukingangana tona ndawa iweta thibitari together tukingangana ayuthi baba tena ngwe batena white collar jobs i project ikutubati ubathania kenda batika ureke thakene na babatuia so at the end of the day thirikari ya tutethia tocho thirikari ya tutethia kusolve thina ira cionthe twina cio as the people of Meru and Kenya at large as the young people.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Tukirekeria pengine your word mbere nkunengera kanyaka kuthi your parting shot.
Yes.
No mpende kuigwa uge bwa kukiri atongere aba top on the Meru mbobera ata in general from the top to the bottom kwake governor,
yes,
senators weta muka MCS na ndi gurumbo kubera ata.
One material Vaira is that Meru is bigger than all of us. Na otiote kwenda share ya Meru. We muringi kura wena karatathi karana waringire kura. Otiote kwenda share ya Meru.
Okay.
Sio tuombe utaona umeona twinde. Lakini no tumeone. Okay, kwenda tukubudhi development kwena ndawa ina hospitals. Okay, the barabara ni ibui. Okay, that twena ndroi in our villages. Okay, the education system niko flow boya together to part in that government. Okay,
yes.
So what I can call upon the leaders, let's put tuweke interest yetu rutere. Tuweke interest yetu rutere tukarande tongoria ba Meru. Tumenye ata ina tukwenda Meru ita. Imbi tukwenda. Look at when Governor Kangata is launching the launch masibitari. Uridra wetu ari launchi madabuti na matrix. Okay? Wedra wa matangi nguira ko ritanara. Ukedra wetu nwe naitire okolea ajui kana Kameru wa okolea. Ote muntu kwenda onka. Ile to kwenda maendeleo. So we are calling upon the leaders. Let's put our interest aside. Kwa kile ito yoni, lentore yoni. Okay? Munye yoni na bahatu tuye. Kawera ginyawe enda ko in the team yo. We discuss as a people of Meru what we want as a people of Meru. Brand development ile to kwenda. Toeka interest yetu aside ile to kaomba teto katurana to Meru. Yes.
All right. And now do your parting shot Kiongozi?
My parting shot, first of all, kambanjiririe na mukari akariba tigania East Bonde. I appreciate so much non tuba kuriro kwa mpere, lakini I appreciate also non tuba mbunge ora bwanenke kura ora nchindire na nakomba okutirame atigania ngoge. Itarakinya rako ya kuromba kura na mashinani tokeya. You select the best.
Okay.
But for now ato atongori bara toete position cia kuritira akariba ngwe na ibarite ngwe boya nonto baremwa itibiti na nyuma cio karira nyaba atu no tokarira itebi na tokaigwa boya muno. So Ameru, my parting shot is that let's meet on 16th.
Okay.
Kirimana tariki 16 maili 3 kenda tomba kwa riria njenda cha Meru na cha Kenya at lunch.
For 16 it will be a lot of things will be happening.
A lot of things change. Hakuna change.
Joseph Murangiri aruga following kuma Riaki Githua Koine wa Kamasharia aruga pamoja asanteni sana na baraba ange bonde bedreta bagetajara. Aya Michael Muthe aruga following. Aya Priska Gaki aruga following asante sana iboga sana gweta nambere na gotegera. Thank you so much sir ikodro.
Thank you so much.
Okay jambo bangu goje katoka gweta kaire na kaire kinya after 14 after 16 together kena tomenya what to say mya together ita goko gere kororia from 16 and together to what happened from 16th and how it will be kumira.
Yes.
Sande sana mutegeri wa Meru TV gukara na mandevu edire tore mutongere wa mbeo mbezi na edire twagitonya kinya siasa na ndebene au metenteria chakaramande ne atigene east no tokare nona ro kuthuja na gutegera yote nambere ba county number 10 yetu rali county yetu ya Meru mbithiro ngetikagera au nikenda gugethera ugeta nambere na mibango ingi yetu roterero ngiro studio onto gachemania ntuku ya rojo utuku ndene ya siasa arato kadra tukoreterete mutongeria omo baraba komereria matagete kia ubunge ndene ya gishugo bunge kia Central Imenti twethira tuketakagira manto jegi siasa mono shia rotereru edra orona kagita kake gatacemania tuko parojo ndene ya ikaboga siasa.
Nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ija kuimba nyumba yaku na style ile kwenda Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni ondobu waku nitwendagia mabati jarangi mwanya